Oh my goodness, look who's arrived. It's only the team at Royal Snail. What on earth has Royal Snail got to deliver for us today? Who's that at the door, Crystal? Who is it? Oh my goodness. It must be the team from the Royal Snail. Hello!
Hello, I'm a delivery for Jon the Proton Man.
That's me. Quick, give me that before Mrs. Jon Coupland sees that I've got some more stuff arrive. Thank you to the team at Royal Snail. Oh my goodness. What on earth could this be?
Oi! What's that you've had delivered?
Uh-oh. Big trouble now. It's nothing, Mrs. Jon Coupland. In fact, I think it's a parcel from my good friends at Hagerty UK. Well, there's really only one place in the world, isn't there, that I can open my little parcel from my friends at Hagerty. And that is in the Proton. So we're in my Proton 1.5 SE LE. It's the 1994 edition, the white one. He says, brandishing a knife. Let's see what my friends have sent me then. Squeeze myself in here. Oh dear, it's a lovely warm day here in Lincolnshire. So, oh, trim falls off as well. That's part of being a Proton owner. Oh dearie me. Let's just tuck that up there. Right, so the Hagerty shop has launched. It has launched at the end of September, and I think they've sent me some goodies from their shop. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, something donked in there. I don't know what it is. I genuinely haven't looked in this box either. This is not a pre-filmed thing. This is a live reaction to me opening what the team at Hagerty UK have sent me. Obviously, I've got to say thank you to the team at Hagerty for sending me some goodies. I think, as I say, they're from their Hagerty shop. Let's have a look. By the way, do you like my tan? Me and Mrs. Jon Coupland have just come back off holiday. Although I'd rather have taken that lady from the Royal Snail. Oh, oh my goodness. Wow. Take a look at all this that we've been sent. So let's go with this first. Now, this is quite cool. This is a Hagerty UK baseball cap. How cool is that, in black? And we've got their logo on there as well. That's wonderful, isn't it? You can get that in the shop if you fancy that for yourself. The Hagerty baseball bat. Link to this will be in the description. Baseball bat. Did I say baseball bat? Baseball cap. I don't think you can get a bat. Links to this will be in the description, so you can get yourself one of these. What else have they sent me? Oh my goodness. Now this may have just pipped my Proton mug. Time machines. The Hagerty mug. Get a look at that. How awesome is that? What have we got on there? Do you know what? Oh, we've got a Lotus on there. We've got some other bits and pieces. It looks like a Mazda. I don't think it is. I think it's something a little bit more special. The Hagerty Time Machines mug. That's something that you're going to be waking up in the morning with your morning coffee. Thank you for that. Oh, look at this as well. A stainless steel leak-proof bottle. Ah, now look at that. Isn't that brilliant? Coolant branded. It's like one of them, I don't know, hot and cold bottles that you get. Fantastic. Take a look in there. That is definitely going to be something that I'm going to be taking to work with me. The Hagerty coolant bottle. How cool is that? Check that out. And lastly, but not leastly, I have featured this on the channel before. Your very own Proton Black Knight t-shirt. How awesome is that? This is the Proton Black Knight t-shirt. Obviously, you can't own a Proton Black Knight because, well, it's mine. But you can have yourself a Proton Black Knight in spirit and rep it with the Hagerty UK merchandise t-shirt. Available again in all sorts of sizes on the Hagerty shop. Why have I been sent this then? Well, I've been sent this by my friends at Hagerty to show you guys some of the things that are available on the Hagerty shop. The link is in the description below, and you can get yourself loads more merch. There is more than just the hats and the coolant bottles and the mugs as well. They've got loads of bits and pieces on there, including alternative Festival of the Unexceptional t-shirts, Radwood t-shirts, there are tote bags, there are card games, and of course much more. Thanks to my friends at Hagerty for sending me this. Obviously this has been a little bit of a jokey video showcasing their merch. I suppose the message behind it is their shop is open for you to get your bits and pieces. If you fancy a hat, if you fancy a mug, if you fancy some cards and some t-shirts, head on over to the shop, and don't forget to tell them that your friend Jon Coupland, that Proton bloke, sent you. If you've enjoyed the video, thumbs up please. If you haven't enjoyed the video, well then blame the Royal Snail lady. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. There's loads of videos on there, including Festival of the Unexceptional videos. There's stuff where I'm talking about merchandise, and there's stuff where I'm talking about cars in my collection too. Have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Threads and the TikTok, it's Jon Coupland, all one word. Take care, thank you for watching, goodbye. Well, I suppose there's only one place in the world that I can open this box that my friends at Hagerty have sent me. Cat. Take two.